Have you ever wondered why a hot road looks like it has a puddle on it, even when you know it's dry? It's a common sight on sunny days, but what's really going on? What you're seeing isn't water. It's a clever trick played by the air itself. This phenomenon is a type of optical illusion called a mirage, and it's all about how light behaves in different temperatures of air. Let's break down the science behind this fascinating illusion. It all starts with how the road interacts with the air directly above it. When the sun beats down on a dark asphalt road, the road surface absorbs a lot of heat. This in turn heats the layer of air directly above it much more intensely than the air higher up. As air heats up, its molecules spread out, making it less dense. Think of it like a hot air balloon. Hot air rises because it's lighter. This less dense hot air also has a lower refractive index. The refractive index is a measure of how much light bends when it passes through a material. Since the hot air has a different refractive index than the cooler air above it, light will bend as it travels between these layers. Normally, when you look at a road, light from the sky travels directly downwards, reflects off the road, and then travels in a straight line to your eyes. However, when the light from the sky enters the hot, less dense air near the road, it doesn't travel in a straight line anymore. Instead, it gradually bends upwards, away from the hotter, less dense air and towards the cooler, denser air above it. Now this is where your brain comes into play. Your brain is wired to assume that light always travels in straight lines. Because your brain expects light to travel in straight lines, when it receives these bent light rays, it traces them back in a straight line to where they appear to have come from. This means that the light that actually originated from the sky and bent upwards is perceived by your brain as if it came from below the road surface. This is exactly how reflections work on a water surface. So the shimmering puddle you see isn't water reflecting the sky. It's the sky itself, appearing to be reflected on the ground due to the bending of light through layers of air with different temperatures. This creates the visual effect of a shimmering, wet surface on the road, just like a real water puddle would reflect the sky. It's a perfect example of how our perception can be tricked by physics. This fascinating phenomenon, where hot air causes light to bend and create an optical illusion of water or distant objects, is scientifically known as a mirage. So, the next time you see a puddle on a hot road, remember, it's not water, it's just physics playing a clever trick on your eyes. Understanding these everyday phenomena makes the world around us even more amazing.